This video is from one of my trips to Mangalore I did last year. I did not post this video initially, but came across this recently somehow and just thought of editing this. This is Sultan Battery, and it is actually a watchtower which was constructed in 1784 by Tipu Sultan. The view of Gurupura river from the top is what makes this place more beautiful. There's a ferry service that operates from here to Tannirbhavi beach. This is built of black stones and was constructed to obstruct warships from entering the river, which was the major route for English invasion. It was also used as a fort with mounting places for cannons to avoid Britishers to enter Mangalore by sea. There is an underground storage area under this tower that was used to store gunpowder, and it's also said that this underground has a secret route which leads to Mysore. It was the major dockyard and arsenal of Tipu. It was also a naval station and was of great importance to him as he used it to intercept enemy warships and prevent them from docking. Sadly, this place is also being ruined by human beings. The Gurupura river gets its name from the town Gurupura situated near Mangalore. The new Mangalore port and Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers are situated on its northern banks. This is the famous Tannirbhavi beach, and as you enter, you can find a lot of trees near the beach where you can avoid the sunlight, yet relax and enjoy the views of the beach. There was a fence put up and no one was allowed to get wet in the waters as it was monsoon and also due to a flood alert.